Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Bharatji. Today I am here to give my presentation on Constitution of India. Today I am going to solve multiple choice questions related to Constitution of India of different topics. The topics are Indian Constitution and necessity of the Indian Constitution, fundamental rights and their building, directive principles of the state policy, parliaments like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and their parliamentary committees, and important constitutional amendments. For the first topic, Indian Constitution and necessity of the Constitution. First question, what is the main purpose of the Constitution? Option A, to establish a monarchy. Option B, to protect individual rights and freedoms. Option C, to enforce a specific religion. Option D, to impose strict governmental control. Answer is option D, to protect individual rights and freedoms. Second question, which of the following best describes the necessity of a constitution? Option A, it provides guidelines for elected officials. Option B, it guarantees equal opportunities for all citizens. Option C, it prevents abuse of power by the government. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Third question, the constitution is necessary to option A, preserve and promote democratic principles. Option B, suppress individual liberties. Option C, enable the government to act arbitrarily. Option D, weaken the power of the judiciary. Answer is option A, preserve and promote democratic principles. Question number 4. The primary purpose of the constitution is to option A, establish a rigid set of rules that can't be altered. Option B, ensure the domination of a single political party. Option C, safeguard the rights and liberties of individuals. Option D, concentrate power in the hands of a few electors. Answer is option C, safeguards the rights and liberties of individuals. Fifth question, when was the Indian Constitution adopted? Option A, 1945. Option B, 1947. Option C, 1949. Option D, 1950. Answer is option D, 1950. Next topic is building of fundamental rights. First question, the fundamental rights to freedom of speech and expression can be restricted in the interest of option A, public order and mortality. Option B, national security. Option C, sovereignty and integrity of India. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Second question, in case of public emergencies, the right to move the courts for enforcement of FRS can be suspended under option A, Article 19. Option B, Article 21. Option C, Article 32. Option D, Article 14. Answer is option B, Article 32. Next question, which of the following rights can be suspended during a proclamation of emergency? Options, option A, right to equality. Option B, right to freedom of speech. Option C, right to life and personal liberty. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Fourth one, the fundamental rights to protection from arrest and detention can be limited during option A, public emergencies. Option B, times of war. Option C, security threats. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Fifth question, the fundamental rights to protect from exploitation prohibits option A, forced labor. Option B, child labor. Option C, human trafficking. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Third topic is directive principles of state policy. First question, directive principles of state policy are ensured in which part of the Indian Constitution? Option A, Part 1. Option B, Part 2. Option C, Part 3. Option D, Part 4. Answer is option D, Part 4. Directive principles are guidelines for option A, Parliament. Option B, President. Option C, Judiciary. Option D, State Government. Answer is option D, State Governments. Next question, the directive principles of state policy are based on the principles of option A, socialism. Option B, capitalism. Option C, communalism. Option D, individualism. Answer is option A, socialism. Fourth question, the directive principles of state policy are primarily the responsibilities of the option A, Parliament. Option B, President. Option C, Judiciary. Option D, State Governments. Answer is option A, Parliament. Fifth one, the directive principles of include provisions for the promotion of option A, social justice. Option B, equality before the law. Option C, right to privacy. Option D, freedom of speech. Answer is option A, social justice. Next topic is parliaments like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and their parliamentary committees. First question. The Lok Sabha is the lower house of the Parliament of India and consists of how many members? Option A 200, option B 245, option C 545, option D 790. Answer is option C 545. Second question. The term of office for a member for the Lok Sabha is option A 2 years, option B 3 years, option C 4 years, option D 5 years. And answer is option D 5 years. Next question. The Lok Sabha represents the options are option A states and union territories of India, option B people of India, option C judiciary of India, option D armed forces of India. Answer is option B people of India. Fourth question. The term of office for a member of the Rajya Sabha is option A 2 years, option B 3 years, option C 4 years, option D 6 years. And answer is option D 6 years. Fifth question. The Rajya Sabha has the power to option A pass laws, option B rectify international treaties, option C approve the budget, option D all of the above. Answer is option D all of the above. And the next topic is important constitutional amendments in India. First question. Which amendment introduced the fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? Options are option A 42nd Amendment, option B 44th Amendment, option C 61st Amendment, option D 73rd Amendment. Answer is option A 42nd Amendment. Second question. The amendment that introduced the Goods and Services Tax GST in India is option A 91st Amendment, option B 92nd Amendment, option C 94th Amendment, option D 101th Amendment. Answer is option D 101 Amendment. Next question. Which amendment made the Right to Information Act of fundamental right? Options are option A 92nd Amendment, option B 95th Amendment, option C 97th Amendment, and option D 101st Amendment. Answer is option D 101st Amendment. Fourth question. The amendment that lowered the voltage age from the 21 to 18 years is option A 61st Amendment, option B 69th Amendment, option C 71st Amendment, and option D 73rd Amendment. Answer is option A 61st Amendment. Fifth question. The 86th Amendment to the Constitution added the right to education as under which article? Options are option A Article 21, option B Article 45, option C Article 51A, and option D Article 86. Answer is option C Article 51A. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.